The former Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia has been denied bail by the Delhi High Court in the liquor policy case. My colleague Vedant, tracking the details of the story, is joining us in the studio with the latest. Vedant, what happened in court?
Remember, Rishika, earlier the Delhi High Court had reserved its order on Manish Sisodia's bail plea, but today the Delhi High Court has rejected Manish Sisodia's rejected bail to Manish Sisodia and dismissed the bail plea. But the observations made by Justice Dinesh Sharma, who was hearing the bail plea, those observations are very critical as far as this case is concerned going forward. Because he said that Manish Sisodia is not entitled to bail, in a sense upholding the order of the trial courts earlier, because remember local courts of Delhi earlier had said the same thing, that Manish Sisodia is not entitled to bail, and Delhi High Court reiterated that today. And Justice Sharma also said that the allegations against Mr. Manish Sisodia, who is the former Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi and also head of the Excise Department, the allegations against him are serious as per the Delhi High Court. And Justice Sharma also talked about the South Group cartel. Now remember, earlier as well, the trial courts had cited the South Group cartel, saying that this particular association between the South Group, as cited by the CBI in its FIR as well, and the Delhi government, that those allegations are very grave as per trial courts as well earlier. So now the Delhi High Court has also said that until and unless we get some clarity on what the South Group cartel is, Manish Sisodia is not entitled to bail. Now the High Court today also said that he was a senior public servant and that he has not upheld the gravity of his position. So these are some crucial observations made by the High Court today. Now remember, the Enforcement Directorate as well as the CBI both are probing this particular case, the liquor policy case. Of course, the ED has a money laundering case against Mr. Manish Sisodia, whereas he is accused number one as far as the CBI's FIR in this particular case is concerned. So the ED and CBI have said that he has been confronted with various witnesses who are aware of the South Group cartel. In fact, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, was also summoned by the CBI as a witness in this particular case. So after all of that, the trial court earlier had said that it's becoming increasingly clear that Manish Sisodia and the Excise Department under Mr. Manish Sisodia were in a sense complicit in the liquor policy scam. So today, remember Manish Sisodia, and of course we also spoke to the Aam Aadmi Party's legal team earlier, and they were very confident that they will be challenging the trial court's order in the High Court, and they expected some relief from the High Court. But this in a sense comes as a big blow to Mr. Manish Sisodia, because remember earlier when the trial court made similar observations, the Aam Aadmi Party's legal team said that they will be challenging it in the High Court, because remember there were almost a series of such rejections by trial courts earlier, both in the ED and CBI case, and now the High Court coming and reiterating that that observation by the trial court. A big blow really for Manish Sisodia and the Aam Aadmi Party, which continues to, how will they wriggle out of this corruption, these corruption allegations, particularly in an election year and in the run-up to 2024? That remains to be seen, Rishika.